Hold up.
Hey, welcome back guys to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple calculator app in C# console application. So let's get started. First of all, I'll run the project which I've already created. I'm going to show you I'm going to show you how it actually works. Then I'll start with coding. So first, I'll enter any number like 2, enter, plus it will ask for second number. If I'll enter 3, it will show your answer is 7. Then after it will ask if you want to continue or not. If I'll say yes, it will say enter another number, let's say 4. If I'll say minus 2, sorry, minus second number 2, it will show you the answer is 2. Same way it will show for division and for multiplication. But what if I'll say 0 divided by 3? So it will show 0 cannot be divided. Your answer is 0. Do you want to continue, yes or not? Now if I'll say no, it will exit the window. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to start with actual code. Create a new project. C# console app. Next. Side. That's it. And project name will be calculator tutorial, and create. Let's start with code. First, we will declare a variable double because I'm using double because it can be decimal number. That's why number second number double calculated answer, and after this string arithmetic operator, and user decision to continue. After this we will be using do while loop. Do after this while user decision to continue to upper when it is not equal to no, no, and after this what we are going to do is we will start with console dot write line simple calculator app, and after this console dot write line enter first number, and this will read whatever user enters. Int dot parse console dot read line, and same way we have to do for second number or arithmetic operator. This will be second number, and this will be second number. Same way we have to do for console dot write line, we have to do for arithmetic operator variable which we have declared earlier. Arithmetic operator is equal to console dot read line. That's it. After this, what we have to do is this. There will be if condition, arithmetic operator is equal to plus, then calculated answer is equal to first plus second number, and console dot write line will be answer is calculated answer. Same way we have to do for minus, here it will be again minus, and we are concatenating this answer is with calculated answer. So after this it will be and this, and here it will be this one, this. So we are done with this much, and after this we have to add another do while loop for continuation. So this will ask whether user want to continue or not, while user decision dot to upper not equal to no, sorry, yes, and user decision not equal to no. Here it will be yes. Here also dot to upper. So it is saying that use of unassigned local variable because we haven't initialized this user decision to continue variable. So inside this we'll ask user console dot write line do you want to continue, yes or no, and user decision to continue will read whatever user enters. After this another if condition, same condition will be adding here. After this console dot write line your choice user decision to continue is is invalid, and that is it, I guess. Now I'm going to run this and let's see how it works. So it is asking for first number. I'll I'll enter 4 plus second number will be 6. So the answer is 10, which is correct. I'll say yes. Let's check with division or multiplication. 9 multiply multiply by 9, which will be 81, correct. Now let's check with 0. If I'll say 0 here, sorry, with division, if I'll click 0, it will accept the number. Now if I'll click division sign, it will accept. Now if I'll click number 9, it will say the answer is 0, but it should have been thrown an error that 0 cannot be divisible or 0 cannot be divided. So let's implement that also. I'm going to close this. So after this, there will be another if condition. If first number is equal to 0 or second number is equal to 0, and arithmetic operator is equal to this by sign, division sign, then it will say console dot write line 0 cannot be divided, and that's it. Let's run this again and let's check again. Let's enter 0 division by 8. So it will say 0 cannot be divided. Answer is 0. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? Say yes. I want to divide first number is 9 by 9 with 3. The answer will be 3, and it will not show any error that 0 cannot be divided. So I'm going to close this. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you.